Imagine creating stunning AI-generated images in just a few clicks. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use Flux AI on Hugging Face to create unique images with just a simple text prompt. We'll cover everything from setting up your account to generating your first masterpiece in minutes. By the end, you'll be able to turn any idea into a stunning visual. No coding or design experience required. Flux AI is a powerful tool that uses artificial intelligence to create unique images based on simple text prompts. Whether you're a digital artist, designer, or just want to have some fun, Flux AI makes generating creative visuals effortless. And the best part? You can do all of this on Hugging Face, a platform known for its simplicity and ease of use. Let's see how you can get started. To get started, head over to Hugging Face's website, the link in the description, and sign in or create a free account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, go to the Spaces tab. Here, you'll find a variety of AI tools, including Flux AI. Select the Flux AI Schnell Image Generator space and click on the Run button to launch the tool in your browser. It's that easy. Now, let's generate some images. With the Flux AI interface open, all you need to do is enter a text prompt, something like, a futuristic city skyline at dusk with neon lights reflecting off rain-soaked streets. Or, a mystical dragon soaring above a mountain peak under a starry night sky. Next, select the style you want. There are plenty of options to choose from, whether you're looking for something realistic, abstract, or stylized. Adjust any other settings like image size or resolution, and then click the Generate button. Within seconds, your AI-generated image will appear on the screen, ready to download or share. Experiment with different prompts and styles to see what kind of unique images you can create. Try blending different themes, like retro sci-fi landscapes or surreal dreamscapes, to push the boundaries of your creativity. Flux AI on Hugging Face is the perfect tool for anyone looking to create amazing visuals without the hassle of coding. Give it a try and see what masterpieces you can create. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.